We exist at BreedELITE to provide super simple, very capable solutions to progressive farmers. So I see a progressive farmer as anybody from any management structure who wants to take control of their data, make money from it with less labour and less effort and less headaches. So if that suits who you are, then you'll fit very well with our company and our mission. What we're doing is we are overhauling every management calendar step, whether it be shearing, lambing, joining, and assessing that from our standards of super simple data collection and super simple data management and analysis. We've overhauled the software and created BreedELITE Sheep, which is the ultimate pedigree and performance recording software, built on the back of 35 plus years of specialist sheep consultancy, and also built by a sheep genetics data manager. So it's a very capable system, and it's built specifically for sheep. It didn't come from cattle, it's built from the ground up specifically for sheep. Our flagship peripheral device would be the Smart Draft and Weigh system, which was built on the back of 2 years of prototyping, looking at every other system on the market and saying, you know what, I think we can do this a lot better and make this a lot more powerful and a lot more simple than what it has been previously. And that is fast becoming the go-to drafter on the market, and our super happy customers are a testament to that. So at each step of the management calendar, we are overhauling the systems, looking at it from how can we make that the most simple process that we can, utilizing everything going into our software straight away. The reason why software is so good for running everything from is that it means that your data is always in one place. If you can put it straight into there's no double handling of data, you don't have data split across multiple places. So that is really what we do. We are a software company that provides a holistic system, including advice and peripheral devices to enable you to get the easiest solution for measuring and managing and marketing your sheep data. I and the team at BreedELITE are super passionate about sheep. We love sheep, we love dealing with them, and we've done all of the jobs that you need to do, and we're very knowledgeable in that area and can help you with advice, or if you need support at any time, the person on the other end of the phone knows what you're talking about and can help you very specifically. One thing I want to make abundantly clear is that we are not here just to be another competitor in the sheep data market. We are here to win, and with that comes a very high level of standard around technology and support. They are the two fundamental pillars of successful sheep technology, and if you don't have them, then it falls apart and you start struggling with what you're needing to do. You may or may not be experiencing that at the moment, either lacking capability in the technology or simpleness in the technology, or a lack of support, whether it be not just someone on the other end of the phone, but someone knowledgeable on the other end of the phone. So anybody that just wants to take a hold of their data and be with the best company, running the best equipment with the best support, then we are the company for you, and I'd really like you to check out our products and consider coming on board with us, because I believe that we can really help you, and we are committed to this at BreedELITE, to winning in the area of dead easy sheep management.